Hi, buddy. Welcome to Answers Q. Microsoft Azure Developer League is a challenge that is conducted by Microsoft through which you can learn something new about technology and you have an opportunity to win some exciting prizes like Microsoft Surface Go. So we'll see all the details regarding this Microsoft Azure Developer League in this video, and I'll also show you how you can register for this league and participate in it. So we'll see all the details in this video. So don't skip it. Watch till the end and get all the details. Let's get started. So Microsoft Azure Developer League is a challenge, as I said, in which you can develop in-demand technical skills on artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, security, cloud network, Kubernetes, and a lot more subjects. And you will have an opportunity to get access to their virtual events, that is Microsoft virtual events, and you have an opportunity to get career guidance chat from Microsoft leadership team, and you have an opportunity to work with their teams on different projects. And once you join this league, you will receive a badge like this Microsoft Azure Developer League badge. So once you join, you will get it like this. And moving on, these are the things which I spoke about. You have an opportunity to win Surface Go smartwatch, goodies like t-shirts, and a lot more things. And in this competition, you will be moving through different stages, and you have an opportunity to win something at each stage. So you have a lot of things. You can even win a cash prize through this Azure Developer League program. So why not participate in it? You can just participate and have a chance to win these things here. And this is the framework on which this complete program is built on: learn, build, and win. So you have three sections in this program. I'll walk you through all the things. So in round one, you will have to learn, meaning in which you have to complete a set of learning modules under the Cloud Skills Challenge. Now I'll show you what are the challenges available under that. So moving on, here it is: Azure Administrator, DevOps and GitHub, Cloud Security, well architected applications, data science and AI, cloud native development, Azure for developers. So you have 7 challenges here. You can just take any one, or else you can take as many as you want. And once you complete each challenge, you will earn an entry to the monthly sweepstake. That is a chance to win Surface Go, free exam vouchers, and a lot more. And here they have given 6 simple steps in which this works. So you have to create a Microsoft Learn account, and then you have to sign up for this Azure Developer League. I'll show you all these things. I'm just explaining to you now. So you have to create a Microsoft Learn account and then sign up for this league, and then you have to choose your Cloud Skills Challenge. And after completing the challenge, you have to update your skills on LinkedIn. And after that, you have to share your updated LinkedIn URL here. You can just click on it, and you'll be directed to a page like this in which you have to give your LinkedIn URL and your email ID, and then check these boxes here and then click on the submit button. And before you are sharing your LinkedIn profile URL, make sure that you have added your skills, that is whatever you have learned, you have got from this Microsoft Azure Developer League, into your LinkedIn profile. Add it and then share your profile URL, and qualified participants will earn an entry into the monthly sweepstake. So this is how it works. This is the first step, and you have 2 more steps. In round 2 is the place where you will apply what you have learned. So basically round 2 is a hackathon challenge, where a problem statement will be given to you. You have to solve it. So as simple as that. And there are some cash prizes worth USD 15k, that is 15,000 US dollars is given as a cash prize for the winners in round 2, that is in the hackathon challenge. And you have few more things like jersey, cool spot awards, including gaming console and smart watches. So this is the important part. Round 2 is the important thing where you have a opportunity to win a lot more. And round 3 is where you will have to take a master's quiz. So the winners from round 2 will be moving on to round 3, in which they will be taking on the master's quiz. And then after that, they can get their Azure Developer League gold medal, and they can share it on their profile. And we'll see how to register for this event. Before that, there are a few more details which we need to see. So you have to complete this challenge and participate in the hackathon and take the quiz. You have to complete everything before May 31st, 2021. So make sure you are joining the program before May 31 and completing it before that. And there are a few more details for each round here: round 1 Cloud Skills Challenge, hackathon, quiz challenge, and some rules and regulations are also given here. So you need to be a Indian resident above the age of 18 years. That's the important thing to note here. and few more things are given here. You can just go through it. And now let's see how to register for this Microsoft Azure Developer League. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Hit on this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels. I'll give you all the link in description. And you can also visit answersq.com website to get more update on free courses, some special offers for courses and other learning materials, job updates, internships, and other workshops and events. So now let us get back to the content and see how to register for this developer league here. So this is the registration form which we need to fill out. So you have to give your first name, last name, company name. If you are a student, just type in your college name here and then give your email address, your physical address. So this address will be used to ship swag to the winners. If you win it, you will be receiving your gifts through to this address, and your city, pin code, your phone number, and then finally your Microsoft Learn username, that is a Microsoft Learn ID. So this is the important part. If you already have a Microsoft Learn account, you can just get it from your profile section. If you don't have, just follow what I'm going to do now. So if you don't have one, just click on here, get one now. You can see that here, click on this, get one now, and you will be directed to Microsoft Learn like this. Just click on the sign in button here at the top right, and then you will see something like this. Here you will see no account, create one. So click on this create one, and then you have to give your mail ID and proceed to the next section and create your Microsoft Learn account. So once you create your Microsoft Learn account, you can get your Microsoft Learn ID. So I'll also show you now. I'll just log into my Microsoft Learn account first. So now I have logged into Microsoft Learn account. So once you create your account or once you log into your Microsoft Learn account, you will see an icon like this. Click on it and go to your profile. Click on profile and you will be landing on a page like this. Click on settings, and here you will see username and URL. So whatever you see here in this box, you can see here AnswersQ6906. So this is my Learn ID, that is Microsoft Learn ID. So I have to copy this and give it here. So this is what they are saying. So once you are done with giving all these details and your Microsoft Learn ID, just check this box and click on the submit button. So once you give all your details and click on the submit button, you will see this. Thank you for registering for Microsoft Azure Developer League. So as I said, you can get your badge here. Just click on here and your badge will be downloaded like this. And then you have to select your Cloud Skills Challenge from the collections here. You can choose whichever you want. I'll go with Azure for Developers. So just click on join the challenge in whichever challenge you want to join. Just click on it and you will be directed to that particular challenge page like this, and you will see all the details here. Once you complete it, update your LinkedIn profile skills section with this. Share the LinkedIn profile URL in the section they have given for it. So this is how you need to register for this Microsoft Azure Developer League program. So I hope you'll find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, and other free online events happening around the world, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.